Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 2, Nouns, Number. Children, in the previous video, rules for changing from singular to plural was explained. I hope you have understood. So, let's begin the exercise. Exercise A. Write the plural forms of these nouns. Some nouns may not have a plural form. First, dress, dresses. DRESSES. Second, match, matches. MATCHES. Children, I am going to give you 10 minutes to complete the rest of the exercise. So let's continue with the rest of the exercise. Third, shelf. SHELVES. We dropped F and we added VES. Fourth, information. The answer is same. There will be no changes. Fifth, woman. Woman. WOMEN. Sixth, hobby. HOBBIES. You dropped Y and you added IES. Seventh, rubbish. There will be no change. The spelling will be same. RUBBISH. Eighth, child. Children. CHILDREN. Ninth, furniture. Same spelling. There will be no change. FURNITURE. Tenth, country. Countries. COUNTRIES. What did we do? We dropped Y and added IES. Medium. Media. MEDIA. 12th, fungus. Fungi. FUNGI. 13th, daisy. Daisies. DAISIES. We dropped Y and added IES. 14th, knowledge. Answer is same, no change. KNOWLEDGE. 15th, dictionary. Answer is dictionaries. DICTIONARIES. 16, police. The answer is same. POLICE. Exercise B. Underline the nouns in these sentences. Change their form into plural nouns or singular nouns. Make other necessary changes. First, the stadium in the city is getting painted. Underline stadium, city. The answer is the stadiums in the cities are getting painted. Second, the choir sings well. Underline choir. The answer is the choirs sings well. Third, you need a strong person to help you in a crisis. Underline person, crisis. The answer is you need strong persons to help you in crisis. Fourth, a passerby helped me find the way home. Underline the word passerby. The answer is the passers-by helped us find the way home. Fifth, the vet in the zoo looked after the injured deer. Underline the word vet, zoo, deer. The answer is the vets in the zoos looked after the injured deer. Sixth, Please buy me a loaf of bread, butter, and sauce. Underline the word loaf, bread, butter, sauce. The answer is, please buy me loaves of bread, butter, and sauces. 7th. I think I saw a mouse under the furniture. Underline mouse, furniture. The answer is, I think I saw mice under the furniture. 8th. Do you think the stranger could give me some information? Underline stranger, information. The answer is, do you think the strangers could give us some information? 9th. My great uncle had a surgery. Underline great uncle, surgery. The answer is, my great uncles had surgeries. 10th. I can hear the cry of a pony. Underline cry, pony. The answer is, I can hear the cries of ponies. 11th. The teeth of the mouse are rotten. Underline teeth, mouse. Answer is, the tooth of the mice is rotten. 12th. The photos of the mathematics teachers are hung in the hallway. Underline photos, teachers, hallway. The answer is, the photos of the mathematics teacher is hung in the hallways. 13. I bought bouquets of roses, lilies, and orchids. Underline bouquets, roses, lilies, orchids. Answer is, I bought a bouquet of rose, lily, and orchid. 14th. We were listening to the news for information on the measles outbreak. Underline news, information, outbreak. The answer is, I was listening to the news for information on the measles outbreak. 15. Are these men and women hungry? Underline men, woman. Answer is this man and woman hungry?